Here's how we can lock apps on an iPhone for a certain time. So let me talk about it and show you how you can make it work. If this is your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so if you want to lock apps on iPhone, you can essentially hold down on any third-party app on the home screen like that. And what you have the ability to do is to click on a require Face ID, which will basically lock the app. If that's the thing that you want to do for a while, you don't want anyone to access it, then you can tap on require Face ID, which is going to lock it with your face. Or you can as well tap on hide and require Face ID, which will not only make it inaccessible without the Face ID, but as well, it will make the app hidden away, part of the hidden folder in the app library, and it's going to be much harder to find. It will appear as if the app is not even there to begin with. So it depends on what you want to do with it, but that is likely the case, which is going to fix your issue. Because you can, of course, lock the usage of the apps, which is part of the settings and the screen time. And in there, you can set up app limits, which is technically not going to lock the app access, but it will lock it after some usage. So you can set up a limit for 10 minutes a day for a specific app. And once you run out, then the app is going to be locked. So it is still locked technically, but in a completely different sense. So it depends on what you need, but that is another option for you. So I hope I was able to explain that. In case of any further questions, you can leave them below. But I'm going to wrap it up. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.